tang yai chenga.
Hey, anything I always knew that I'ma win now. I just wanna live and do my thing now. Anything I always knew that I'ma win now. I just wanna live and do my thing now. I got kids, I got bills, I hustle, I don't chill. From the hood to the hills, they try to cancel me, didn't work cause I'm here. Lord forgive me for my sins. Niggas is wicked and they talk like some bitches. Operate like witches, that's why I don't kick it. Shit is painful, niggas ungrateful. Who the fuck raised you? I rap cause I'm paid to. Walk in the room, I feel the energy. See the look on their faces, I feel the jealousy. I know niggas envy me, but none of y'all scaring me. Anything I always knew that I'ma win now. I just wanna live and do my thing now. Anything I always knew that I'ma win now. I just wanna live and do my thing now. Anything
Blew up when I was 21. My first nearly gave it to my mom. They showed me the ropes, I came back with a shock. I became the hero, Black Peter Parker. Yeah. All I schemed son. Remember when you told me utangin down? I told her singing these are closer to the sun. And when I landed back on earth, they told me I'm the one. Working every weekend, we ain't lazy, we ain't chillin'. You still tryna catch up with the women, we ain't missing. Finally got the money, but these haters got me trippin'. Where were all these people when I had no pot to piss it? Hold me down, don't hold me back. Can't go back to having none, man, it was bad. We watching them flex and watch them going outside. Told them it's a marathon and they don't understand, man, I pray for them.
Anything I always knew that I'ma win now. I just wanna live and do my thing now. Anything I always knew that I'ma win now. I just wanna live and do my thing now. Anything